tatanungin tayo ni Gigi ng which best describes your concern. Then may tatlong pagpipilian doon. First option is, I forgot to remove or unregister my old phone. Second is, my registered phone got damaged. And last is, I tried doing the steps but it didn't work. Tandang pinili nga po natin dito is yung first option, which is yung I forgot to remove or unregister my old phone. Unfortunately, may nagiba na naman sa process sa chat with Gigi. And ito na yung mga options. First is, I am using the same phone I registered previously. Second is, I forgot to unlink my old phone. And lastly is, my registered phone got damaged. This time, ang need naman natin piliin is yung last option, which is yung my registered phone got damaged. Kasi once na pinili natin yung first and second option, wala na pong lalabas na show form kung saan natin ilalagay yung informations ng ating nare-recover na Gcash account. Kaya ang problema, once na pinili natin yung third option, which is yung my registered phone got damaged, is kailangan po natin mag-provide ng picture sa nasirang phone. Meaning, hindi na po ito applicable sa mga nawala na o nanakaw na dating phone. So I decided to make this video para ituro kung ano pa ang ibang paraan para masolve ang ganitong problema si Gcash. And at the same time, applicable din sa mga nawala na o nanakaw ang old phone. And this video, I will teach you that procedure. But before we continue this tutorial, kung bago pa lang sa channel, nilin mo bang yumahmay para subscribe ang channel na ito and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time na mag-upload ako ng mga panibagong videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, nandito ka sa screen. Ang una lang natin gagawin is pupunta tayo sa Chrome or any browser na available sa inyong mga phone. Then search lang natin dito yung Gcash Help Center. Go natin yan. Then, punta tayo sa Gcash Help Center. Then, scroll up, scroll down natin hanggang lumabas si Chat with Gigi. Click natin yung Chat with Gigi. Then, nilalagay natin dito as first message yung Submit a Ticket. Send lang natin. Then, click natin tong Submit a Ticket. Yan dito, may pipilapan tayong form. Dito, ilalagay natin yung email address or yung registered email address natin sa Gcash. Then yung Gcash registered full name. Then yung select a country kung saan ka nakapag-register ng Gcash, Philippines. Then yung mobile number natin sa Gcash. Then dito sa concern category, click natin yan. Then select natin yung I can't log in to my Gcash account or Gcash app. Then dito, select which statement is most relevant to your case. Click natin yan. Then piliin natin dito yung I saw an error, your account is already registered to another phone. Click natin yan. Then, what best describes your situation? Click natin yan, then select natin yung I forgot to remove or unregister my old phone. Then dito sa did you uninstall or reinstall the Gcash app before seeing the screen? If yes, select the reason why you reinstalled. Click natin yan, then select natin yung no. Then, what is the brand and model of your device? Dito, ilalagay lang natin dito yung brand and model ng ating old phone. Kung saan registered yung ating Gcash account. Then yung phone operating system. Click natin yan din. May lang tayo kung naka-Android or naka-iPhone tayo. In my case, naka-Android daw. Select natin yung Android. Then kung anong Android siya. Android 14, 13, 12. So, Android 12. Yan dito, click lang natin itong mga box para ma-check. Valid government-issued ID. Shall be holding your valid ID which clearly shows the details. Click natin yan. Screenshot of transaction or error from. Check lang natin yan. Then dito, kindly provide all the details that will help us assist you with your concern. Dito pwede natin ilagay yung I can't log in to my Gcash app and I encountering error that says your account is already registered to another phone. Please help me to fix it. Thank you. So, pwede nang i-copy yan. Then dito sa attachment, dito natin i-drop or i-add yung picture ng valid ID natin tsaka yung selfie with our valid ID, pati na rin yung screenshot ng error prompt which is yung screen na merong nakalagay na your account is already registered to your phone. So, i-drop lang natin yung mga images na yon. After that, click na natin tong submit. And after natin ma-submit, magre-response ngayon si Gcash through email kung saan i-update niya tayo about sa status ng ating ticket at tutulungan niya tayo na ma-unlink yung ating Gcash account sa ating old phone para makapag-login tayo sa ating new device. So, ganun lang mag-submit ng ticket. And yun po yung isa sa mga paraan para masolve yung error from their account is already registered to a larger phone. And then nandito lang video na ito sana nakatulong. Have a nice day. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out.